Hello guys, so today we will learn how to insert the text in graph using Origin. So first we will open the Origin software. I am using OriginPro. You can use any kind of any version of Origin. The procedure is same. Click on the file, open file, choose the type of file, open the data file. So file is here. Choose the axis you want to draw, x-axis and y-axis. Insert the graph, line or symbol, any type of graph you can choose. So graph is here. You can make changes in the graph according to your requirement before inserting the text or after inserting the text. So on the left hand side, here you can see multiple options. There is one option with written T, text tool. So you can use this tool to insert the text inside the graph. So click on the T, then insert into the graph, click. Here you can write anything you want. So this is the written. So if you want to write vertically, then again double click, here, double click, or right click and properties. Yeah, these are the properties of this text you have written graph. So first is their font. There are different type of fonts. Second is size. Third is color. Let's choose the red one. And the fourth option is rotation. It's horizontal. You can rotate at 45 degree, you can rotate 90 degree, any angle you want. For example, we choose 45 and then click the apply or OK. So this is how the graph looks like. If you want to make changes, click and again right click, properties. Now we will go to the second option, which is frame. Like if you want frame around the graph or not. Let's choose box, and these are dimension of box, how it looks like. It's black, color, width, different options. Let's choose fill color. We can also fill the color. Let's choose the blue one, and width of the box should be thick. Let's apply. You can see. So again right click, properties. Okay, let's choose another option, position. So you can, there are different options in horizontal and vertical directions. You can choose according to your requirement and programming as well. But the simple thing which is mostly used is how to add the text and how to edit like color, size, font size, and the rotation of the text. So this is the way. You can also copy, Control C and Control V, copy, Control V, copy. You can edit this, like you can edit according to your requirement. You can also delete, right click and delete, or you can click on the graph and insert the, click the delete key on your keyboard, click and delete key, or right click, delete. So this is how we learned how to insert the text inside the graph. So if you have any question, please feel free to leave the comments. Thank you very much. Now we can copy this graph, like copy as image, insert, choose the format of the image, and we insert here. Yeah. So the graph is ready. So today we learned how to insert the text or how to use the text tool in the graph using OriginPro. Thank you very much.